Hey, let me show you a few tips what you can do if you cannot connect your earbuds or headphones into the Nothing phone 4a. So first of all, I will actually start from resetting all the Bluetooth settings. Now you have to just go into the system settings, go below into the reset options, and click to reset Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi. Unfortunately, we cannot only reset the Bluetooth, so it will also forget all the Wi-Fi connected network. But if you did this and it is not working, what I can also recommend you is just to simply go into those Bluetooth settings. Now I'm just gonna remove my device. And first of all, I can recommend you also to perform a reset of your device. So in the most cases, you have to find something like a pairing button. You will have to click and hold it and wait until the indicator on your device starts blinking in the red color. Now it's blinking white, but after a few moments it will start blinking red. So after you perform a reset, you will have to enter for the pairing mode manually, or sometimes after the reset your device will go to the pairing mode automatically. So it actually depends. Now just simply try to pair your device one more time. Let's see if it's gonna work. As you can see, for me it is not working for some reason. It's not available here. So we have to wait, and now as you can see it is working. But if you still got this problem, you can just go back from this one and you can try to simply turn off the Bluetooth here. As you can see, when you go here there is no switcher to turn it off, but you can turn it on here manually. Click done and click to pair new device and simply enter for the pairing mode one more time, but now manually on your device. As you can see now, for me it is working and my device appears here. Sometimes you can try to restart your phone, so you can just turn it off and on. And this is all the tips that I can give you. Let me know if it works.